Okie dokie, roll 'em!
All right, so a few things you can do with the Swiss Army deck. We are so excited to bring you guys Project Swiss Army. This is such a powerful tool for the close-up magician.
Cards different like before. I want you to sign your initials on the face of the card. Actually, write your name really big. I want everyone to be able to see your name. Place your card back in the pack wherever you like, okay? I'm gonna leave it up to you. There? Okay. Now, I want to do this little experiment in test conditions, okay? I'm gonna place you place your card inside the pack. You picked your own card. You signed it. It's personalized to you. It's trapped inside the walls of this box, okay? Who has a watch on? Okay. I want you to time me to see how long it takes me to get her card out of the deck and out of the box completely, okay?
Oh my God!
You can show the box on all sides. You never switch it out. It's the same box and deck from the beginning to the end.
Okay, I want you to count in your head to see how long it takes me to get your card out of the pack, okay? Ready? 1, 2, oh, it's already here. Sorry, here.
It's easy to perform. It's a real worker. It's going to go directly into your arsenal. So gear up and join Project Swiss Army.